Alright, together with our department heads. Ito na, fully support ang ating budget niyan, Ma'am T. And syempre, nandito yung ating OIC Provincial Administrator. And at the same time, yung ating Sangguniang Panlalawigan Secretary, Mr. Jimmy C. Andang. Alright, there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming salamat, Gawang Flores. And this time, let's have the photo opportunity. Photo opportunity with the City Mayor,